Hi creators, and welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, and if it's not, welcome back. And have you ever been wondering, when do I actually start making money from YouTube? Well, today I'm going to break down exactly how you can begin making money on YouTube, even if you're not monetized yet or have a small channel. I'm going to walk you through my business model, what I actually do behind the scenes to earn online, and how you can do the same. So, 3 steps that you can take today to start building your own system. And here's the truth: you don't need a million views, you just need a strategy that works with your audience and not against it. So, grab a notebook because this is going to be a full mini class on turning your YouTube channel into income. Let's start with a quick reality check. And you could have 100,000 views and still only make $100 from AdSense. Why? Because the ad rates change, watch times fluctuate, and unless you're pulling in massive traffic, YouTube ads alone are not enough to live on. That's why the smartest creators build what I call income layers. AdSense is just one, but the real money comes from everything else around your content. So in my business, I focus on 2 core models, and that's affiliate marketing and digital products. Both can be done before you ever hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's start with affiliate marketing because this is one of the easiest ways to start earning right now. Affiliate marketing means you recommend a product or a tool that your audience would need or would like, and when someone buys through your unique link, then you get a commission. Now, let me show you exactly how this works in my business. I use a platform that is an all-in-one tool for creators, and it lets me build landing pages, host courses, manage my emails, all from one dashboard. And here's why I love it. This system will pay 60% recurring commissions. That means if someone signs up for a $17 starter plan through my link, I would earn $10 every month as long as they stay a member on the platform. Now imagine this. You just get 10 people a month to join the annual plan. And every time you get the annual plan, you'll get 2 months free. So the person will save money and then you get a nice chunk up front. So basically, that will lead to about $1,000 in passive income if you get 10 signups on the annual plan. So here's your 3-step affiliate start plan. First, you're going to pick a product that your audience already needs: a software, a tool, a service. 2, create a short tutorial or honest review video showing how it helps. And then 3, you're going to add the link in your description and start building your email list around it. And we're going to get into that next. You don't need a big following. You just need to create real value for a specific type of viewer. Now listen, because this is the most important step that most creators skip, and it's a reason they stay stuck relying on YouTube. When you build your email list, you own your audience. You're not just at the mercy of the algorithm or notifications. So here's how you can start in under an hour. 1, click the link that I'll have at the top of the screen for you to get your free plan. You can have up to 2,000 contacts. And second step, you're going to create a simple landing page. Something like, want to learn how to grow your income online. And then you're going to offer a freebie, or it could be a checklist, a mini guide, or a private video in exchange for their email. Then you're going to email your list weekly. You can share new videos, give tips, or talk about your journey. This keeps you at top of mind, builds trust, and warms your audience for future offers. Once your audience starts engaging and trusting you, then it's time to create your own product. This could be a mini course, an ebook, a guide, templates, a toolkit. The beauty here is that 100% of the profit is yours and no middleman. So no commission split. You can start small. You don't need a $500 course on day one. Maybe it's a $10 starter guide, something that helps your audience take that next step. If your video teaches people how to start an online business, Your product could be the 7-day income builder, or you could also host it right inside of the platform, automate the email, and each sale becomes a piece of recurring revenue. So even while you sleep, you could be earning money. So let's put all of this together. So to connect the dots, your YouTube video brings in the traffic, your landing page it turns the traffic into subscribers, your email nurtures these subscribers into customers, and that's how you turn a YouTube from just a video platform into your business foundation. And that's exactly what I help creators build. If you're ready to stop waiting on AdSense and actually start earning online, then check out the link in the description to join for free. Be sure to join my email list because I send out exclusive emails where I send out different things from strategy to encouragement so you can get your breakthrough and begin earning money with the system. So be sure to join my email list if you're not on there, because that's our direct line of communication. And if you have any personal questions for getting started, just reply back to any email that you get from me and we can get a conversation going. Thank you for joining me today, Glow Squad, and I will see you in the next video. Be blessed and have a great day.